Okay, family. I got it all cut up. And I'm finna get ready to juice them. Got me a couple of icebox watermelons out of the refrigerator. We got our little dragon fruit and the rest of the little mango. Some carrots from the garden. And we have all of our blackberries that we've been saving. And a couple of strawberries that we harvested this year. And we're finna put it all into this bad boy. And get us some good juice going. So, let us get started. We doing rinds and all, y'all. Rinds and all. All the pulp and everything going in the compost. And with the rind, the juice is looking a little greenish. But I know it's gonna taste good. And we almost to a full pitcher. Alright, y'all. Is it delicious?
Yes, Mom. Good morning, everybody. I have this big watermelon here behind me. So
You have a yellow meat watermelon?
Yep. It's so delicious and orange and yellow.
Oh, okay.
Mom, I think the fairy did this.
The fairy?
Yeah.
Oh.
Thank you so much, fairy. You're welcome.
Okay, so we moving right along. Now, you finished, Peaches?
I think Queen can have this.
Okay, so now we popping open our sugar. I ain't no sugar.
Icebox.
The icebox watermelons that we grew ourselves,
I think Queen doesn't want it.
so they can get ready to go in the juicer too. So we moving right along. Peaches over here still going to town. It's good.
Uh-oh, Mommy. Mommy, my dress is all wet.
Yeah, you wet because you full of watermelon juice.
Now I have to change under my clothes.
How it taste?
What? That cold.
He said it tastes sweet and cold. So, alright, y'all. We're finna get this cut up so we can get it juiced. So far, this how much juice we got. So, I might have to get another picture out. So, just stay tuned.
Real fat. Come there, they go in there without a fight.